Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your perfect Quora profile. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your Quora application as I have already opened it. The first of all, you just need to set your perfect profile picture. For this guy, just click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Again, click on that icon. Now guys, you can change the profile picture or upload the profile picture by clicking on the edit profile button. From here you can upload the profile picture. It must be clear and professional looking, and make sure your face is visible and the image is high quality, and avoid using group photos or overly filtered image. And the second thing is cover photo. For this guys, scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the spaces. Just click on that spaces. Now click on that setting button. Over here scroll down a bit. Here you can see the cover photo. Just click on that edit button of cover photo. Now from here either you can choose a photo from your camera or the phone. Make sure guys choose an image that reflects your interest or personality. It could be a landscape, an image related to your professions, or something that you inspire. Guys, and the next important thing is your bio. Scroll up a bit. And over here you can see the description. In the description section you can say the perfect bio, writing or compiling bio that highlights who you are and that you are passionate about. Keep it concise but informative. Mention your expertise, interest and any relevant achievements. This is your chance to introduce yourself to a Quora community. And the next is your credential. Go back once, again press the back button. Scroll up a bit and you can set a perfect credential such as degrees, certifications and professional affiliations, and add them to your profile. This adds credibility to your expertise. And the topics guys, follow topics that interest you and that you have the knowledge about. This will personalize your Quora experience and help you discover relevant questions to answer. And guys, the next important thing is answer the questions. For this guys, go for the pencil icon over here, and from over here you can answer the questions. Start answering questions related to your areas of expertise. Provide thoughtful, well-researched answers that add value to the community. Engage with other users by upvoting community and following their content. And the next thing is guys, ask the question by clicking on ask button at the top left of your screen. From over here you can ask any question. Don't hesitate to ask questions yourself. It's a great way to engage with the community and learn from others. And guys, next thing is verify your credential. It's optional, but Quora offers a feature called credential where you can verify your expertise in specific topics by linking to your website, LinkedIn profile or the authoritative sources. This can further enhance your credibility on the platform. And the last but not least guys, engage regularly. Stay active on Quora by regularly posting content, interacting with other users and participating in discussion. Consistency is key to building a strong profile and establishing yourself as a valuable contributor. By following these steps, you can set up a perfect Quora profile from your mobile device and start engaging with the Quora community effectively. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.